Okay, just going to show the new Noble ceramic. This is already reasonably sharp. It may have a dent or two here and there, but it cuts like that, so we'll just very lightly knock the edge off. Nothing extreme because I don't want to sharpen the whole thing again. So the edge is gone, so it cuts the edge off pretty easily. Now we'll quickly use the rib side and the smooth side. I'm not going to do back and forth, I'm going to do side to side, and we'll see how it goes. And see if that's sharp yet. Not yet, so it can't fix damage to that level. I'll apply it a bit harder pressure and see if that works. I'm pushing harder now so it actually bites in and cuts the steel, not just sort of realigning it. Definitely stays steel on the rod. There we go. So a little bit harder pressure. I tend to be very light with these things. When I apply a bit more pressure, I can feel it cutting like a stone. That's quite nice. Now I'll just, now that I've fixed it, I'll just do it again and clean it up a little bit. So I'll start with the coarse again. And now I'm just going to do lighter. This is what I was doing if I'm just touching up the knife, normal use in the kitchen. Light passes like that. The smooth side, you can actually feel it gripping the edge more. It doesn't slide over as much. So that's quite a nice edge. And that's why I said it's very similar to the Spyderco medium for creating swimmer's arm and taking all the hair off. So yeah, I quite like that. It works really nicely.